Hey guys, what's up and welcome back. Today's video is a follow-up to last week's video where I showed you how I constructed, kind of colored, and created this flip over wig that I'm wearing right now. This is a flip over method wig, not Ivy specific, but another variation of the flip over wig. I used ISEE Mongolian Kinky curly hair, and if you want all the details of the hair and, well, not all the details, it's not a review, but but if you want the details on that and how I made it the wig, go watch the last video. I'll make sure it's linked above and below and wherever that's supposed to go. I just wanted, before I jumped into it, to let you see the finish, like done up, real cute, curls popping finished product, because in the video clips that you're gonna see, it was the finished product, but it wasn't like freshly washed, did my leave out fresh. This is just like the whole shebang, and I actually went back in and colored my hair some more, because in the clips that you're going to see, I forgot how long my hair actually is, so the color came up too high and my natural hair wasn't blending in. I just didn't like it, so I had to add in some more black to the root, so it looks a lot better. So yeah, just wanted you to see how it looks right now. It is completely dry, air dried. I did not diffuse or anything like that. I only styled it with oil and what's that stuff called? That stuff is called mousse. In case you're wondering, this is how she looks when she is still wet. Get a good look. Angles, video, cute, curls juicy, curls dry. So if you're interested in seeing that, that is coming up next. Don't forget to like and subscribe, only if you actually like my video. Okay? Okay. Let's get into it.
No, I don't wanna collab, no, unless I hit you up.
So I want to apologize in advance for my demeanor. I'm mentally just done for, but I have to do this for tomorrow, so it's got to get done. So I just finished shampooing my hair, and I actually did not deep condition. I just conditioned in the shower and detangled my hair thoroughly. And so to make sure that my hair remained detangled, I basically just twisted it and put it up in this little thing so my hair remained stretched and detangled. And now I'm going to apply my leave-ins and my blowout creams. I got this, it was on the clearance rack at Sally's. Sally's had a ton of stuff on clearance, so that's a perfect opportunity to try new things because it's guilt-free if you paid $4 for it. It's Eden Body Works, and this is a hibiscus honey blow dry cream. Never seen it before, but for $4 I was like, you know, let's try it. And then I'm also going to be using my Redken. It's a leave-in treatment, but it's very, very liquidy, and basically it's supposed to be high in protein, strengthening, and I really like it. So I like to use this when I straighten or blow dry my hair. So I'm going to be using these together, but since neither one of these products say anything about moisture, I am first going to put on my TGIN leave-in conditioner. This is one of my favorite leave-in conditioners, just so that I know I have some moisture in my hair before I apply heat to it. You would think if I have heat damage I would be done with heat, but we're wig prepping and I'm not going to blow it out or straighten it super duper straight. I just need it stretched so that I can braid it up. So there's that. These are the three products that I am going to be using, and now I'm going to not put you through my bleh demeanor and speed this up. All I'm going to be doing is applying all three to my hair, twisting it up overnight so that I can blow dry it in the morning. Okay, so my twists are done on both sides, but as you can see, I left these out. That is because this is going to be the leave out for my flip over wig. In those types of wigs, your perimeter or just the front, I don't know what I'm saying. So for this wig, this is going to be my leave out. and I'm not going to be putting heat on this portion of my hair. So I'm going to moisturize and then do flat twist, because if I flat twist my hair, it basically matches that wig it matches that wig perfectly. So, and in case anyone is curious, I used all TGIN for this leave out section just because, I don't know, I just did. I used the leave-in conditioner, the Daily Buttercream, and I am now using the Light Hold Curl Balm to give some definition to this flat twist so that when I take it out, it will hold. So this is what I have happening, and I know it looks a little crazy and it doesn't look anything like wig prep, but this is going to make my life so much easier for in the morning. So I have my leave out already twisted and ready for the wig, so that just needs to dry. And then I have my twists already moisturized and heat protected so that I can blow dry and braid it and oil my scalp, and that'll be the only steps that I need to do for prepping my hair for the wig. That is what's most important. Yes, we want our wig to look good, but the whole purpose of the wig is to protect our hair underneath it. So that's all for now. I'll see you guys in the morning when it is time for step 2. Hey guys, good morning. It is time to blow dry. And my hair did pretty good overnight. I want to say it's probably about 95% dry, which is perfect for blow dryerization, right? So I'm going to be using my Kenra Platinum blow dry spray. If this isn't heat protected with all these daggone things that I just used, I don't know what it is. And I'm just going to spray this on here, work it in, and then I'm going to begin to blow out. So I basically do a combination between the tension method and using the little comb on my blow dryer. I really want to try that blow dryer brush. Alrighty, so here we are. I still am like in awe of how much hair is on my head. Sometimes I very often forget, and then when I see it, I'm just like, wow, that's growing out of my scalp. So I think I'm gonna grab my go-to for protective styling, and I'm gonna use that to braid my hair up, and then I'm going to oil my scalp with my homemade herbal oil and just take you through that. I don't know what I'm saying. I haven't had any coffee yet, but I'm trying to finish my water first. Alright, my hair is prepped and it is time to apply her. I'm really excited. My last video I showed you guys how I constructed, bleached, and attempted to dye this wig. So I'll link that down below if you have not seen it yet and you want to know how I make them. And I'm literally just going to plop it on here, and if you are bold, you can just do this and then use your leave out to cover up the little bit of the band that's showing. I like a lot more security in my wigs. So I could just bobby pin this, but I am going to sew it down. So where this band kind of is where my anchor braid also is. But it's underneath that cap, and I'm gonna sew it there. So I'm going to reveal my anchor braid, basically just pulling my wig cap back so that this is visible, and then I'm able to sew it easier. So that looks good. My hair will cover up this little bit of band that you see here. I'm going to off camera go ahead and do the other side and then show you how I finish it up. So I definitely underestimated the length of my hair. I would have left more of this black. I forget that my hair is long-ish. Like, I just forget, okay? But at first glance, this is not too bad. I'm gonna kind of blend my hair in with this hair so that the black isn't as noticeable. Voila! Okay, I will be back after I, you know.